Hi everyone, I just wanted to first show you this screencasting tool. This is something that I've been using for a long time now, and I think that since some of us will be online, we're going to be using this a lot, and it's something that you should learn how to use. So, of course, you can use a different screencasting tool, but this is the one that I am familiar with, which is ScreencastOMatic. If you log in here with your AOSR Google account, it should give you about 15 minutes of free video for each time you do it. So you hit record for free here. Once you save your video, it will actually save it right on your YouTube account. So if you go to your AOSR Gmail and you go to your YouTube account, in here, if you go to your videos, it will put in there anything you record on this. So as long as you're signed in on that account, it will bring it right up. It's super easy to use in terms of adding a camera on the right hand corner, or having no camera, or having the whole screen camera. You can also toggle between different tabs. So this is a tool that I really think is important for you to be able to use for our class. We've done a lot of different recordings so far, and I think that our tech difficulties should kind of be washed away with these recordings by now. So I wanted to share this one with you. Good luck!